If the shift lock isn't working on your Roblox, try following the simple steps. First of all, check your keyboard functionality. Verify that your shift key is functioning properly. Test with a different keyboard or press the shift key on both sides of the keyboard. And then try enabling the shift lock in the settings. Launch any game. And once you're there, click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen and then go to settings. And enable the shift lock in the settings. You can also try restarting the game. Restarting the game or joining a different server can often resolve the issue. And if you're using any third-party apps or websites related to key binding software, disable it as it may conflict with the Roblox shift lock. You can also review the game's specific settings. Some games have their own settings that may restrict shift lock. Check if the game you're playing supports shift lock, as some may disable it. And also try using a different browser or a device. If you're playing Roblox in a browser, try a different browser or use a Roblox app on your another device. And these steps should help you resolve the shift lock issue in the Roblox. And if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.